Hello, welcome back. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. Number 1027, longest arithmetic subsequence. I did the longest arithmetic subsequence with a different value before, but for this problem we are not giving a difference. We are only giving a nums. We just need to find the longest arithmetic difference. So this number, it can be an increasing number or it can be a decreasing number. For example, this is increasing 3, 6, 9, and 12. So the difference is 3 and the longest is 4. And for this number, so it's 4, 7, 10. It's also increasing, but the difference is 3. And for this example, as you can see that the difference is minus 5 because it's 20, 15, 10, 5. So the longest is 4. So for this problem, first of all, when I see this problem, I saw the nums I is 500 to 0. I think about the binary search. Can I solve it in binary search? Yeah, because log 500 is a small number, and then this is just 1000. Yeah, but as I already solved the longest arithmetic subsequence problem with a difference value before, that is just on time. So here 1000 is just on. It means even I don't use a binary search, it works, because 1000 times 500 actually it's not 500, it's 1000, because this is only nums I. When I check the difference value biggest can be 500 minus 10 minus 0, so it can be 500. So the smallest is 0 minus 500, it is minus 500. So it is 1000 times 1000, it still works. So why I will use binary search? Actually, when I think about it, binary search actually didn't work. How did I know if I choose a 500, it is a smaller number, or if I choose a 0, it is the biggest number? It is not like that. So I have to use the brute force to solve the problem. But for my DP array, I will prepare a dictionary, as I solved the longest arithmetic difference before. This is just a subsequence with no difference. So I'm going to use the brute force to solve the problem. Now, I will prepare a result should be at least 2, because I'm going to return my result. Yeah, even there are only 2 numbers inside, so the longest will be 2, for example 3 and 6. So because the nums.ls is at least 2. Now I'm going to use the template before when we are solving the longest arithmetic difference problem. Now let's try to loop through the nums. So let's check the difference value. The difference value can be, so for diff in range minus 500 to 501. What did I mean by that? So as you can see, the nums is from 0 to 500. So it means the biggest number is 500, and the smallest number is 0 minus 500. So it is minus 500. So this is the difference. Now we are going to check. Before that, I'm going to prepare a DP array. So the DP array will be default, dict, and int. Now I just used the method I did before. Before that, I have a difference. Here I just increased time complexity of 1000. So 1000 times 1000 is O(n) squared. It's still okay, and I believe it can pass for the Leetcode. Now I just need to loop through the nums. So for n in nums, I will update the DP array. Actually, it's not DP array, it's a DP dictionary. I will update the DP dictionary. So the DP n should equal to DP n minus the difference and plus 1. If I find 1, I'm gonna update the DP dictionary. After that, I just need to update the result. So the result should be the max of result with max of dp dot values. Yeah, if you don't understand this 4 lines of code, you can check my videos for the longest arithmetic difference. Yeah, that is exactly that 4 lines of code. And for this problem, because I didn't know the difference, I just needed to loop through the difference and use the brute force to check one by one. Actually, this is the entire code. As you can see, it's just so simple if you know the principles of how to calculate the longest arithmetic with a difference value. Yeah. Now let me run it to check if it really works. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. And by the way, the time complexity is just O(n) squared, so n is 1000. As you can see, it passed, and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. See you next time.